Welcome back to another YouTube video from Best RV channel. This is now Amari from Best RV in Torlock as well, City of Grand Terrace. As you guys know, right now we have two locations to serve you in Northern California and Southern California. Today, if you stay tuned with me, I have a unique floor plan. It's brand new 2026 Forest River Vibe 2500 CK. Now, Vibe is completely different for 2026. They did a major changes. They revamped the product, so it's not like what you're thinking. Let's start. As you see, walking here to the outside, they come with the 3 panels, and they are metal with a diamond plated. They provide you with a nice blue, orange LED light in the front with a center LED light. So you could see when you put your batteries, when you work around in the front, and light up your trailers, especially if you're walking on a dark campground, you could spot your trailers by the LED light. Again, if this LED light bother you or bother your neighbors, there's a switch, you could turn them off and you dim them. As well, we provide you with the electric tongue jack in the front, 2 propane tank with the cover. They're 20 gallon, 5 gallon each, 20 pound of them. Coming to the side, the Vibe, they give us a very big, huge slam luggage doors with a pass-through storage. As you see, the construction of the travel trailer is aluminum frame, and it's wider storage compartments, so you could put your loungers, your picnic table, and so on. This is the switches for the LED light on the front, so you could turn them off. So if you come over here, you don't see the red, and they're off, and now you could see I turn them on. All the Vibe travel trailers provided with power jacks. You have a power tank jack in the front and 4 electric stabilizer jack, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. And they're both electric, nothing manual. They provide you with LP Connect, so if you decide to have a barbecue underneath this big power awning, you could do that. It's right there. Big power awning, which is covered majority, 90% of the trailers with a nice LED. Looking at the axle, I want to show you why the axle separated, because if they are separated, now push me, I can't. If they're closed and you push me, I trip. It gives you more stability. That's the reason why they use the big shackles between. This is the axle BNL piece, and that will help stability on the trailers when it's parked and when you're driving. Wider step entry to get to the unit. As you see, this is a bigger door and glass, and is wider and wider step. Coming down over here, in the back, they give you, as usual, backup camera prep, leopard expandable prep. It's an endless hot water heater, and you have a nice 2-inch by 2-inch bumpers with the spare tires and a cover. Going over here, you will see over there the black and the gray hookup, the power cord hookup 30 amp, and then you see the huge slide out. Going to the front, you're gonna see a full docking station. This is to prove for you come with a 200-watt solar panel and a solar controller. This is, we use it for antifreeze. If you wanna put antifreeze, you could do that. Outside shower, hot and cold, black and tank flush, city water connection, all of it through this docking stations. And then you have plenty storage accessible both way. Let's go inside, because this is a unique floor plan. I looked to all of them, the one who put the kitchen in the back or the rear living or the bunk in the back. They don't have this particular floor plan because it's unique. Wow. Now, we're inside the 2500 CK. Now, I'm going to tell you, as soon as I walk in, I like the wall, the ceiling paneling. Now, why I like the ceiling paneling, because it gives you two-tone. This is like a nice beige, and then you have light walls, and then lighter linoleum. So it gives you contrast in the decor system. by looking, while we are looking at the ceiling now, even this is a 30 amp service. It comes with two ACs. You have a 18,000 with the remote control, Freon air conditions, 18,000 as you see is right here. As well, you have a 8,000 AC in the bedroom. So you have two AC running, and again, the beauty about it, I could run them on 30 amp service. Now, why this unit it makes separate? A lot of them, they make the similar floor plan. The door is by the bed, but the customers complaining is saying, I want some privacy in my bedroom. And that's the beauty about this unit is I walk in, it's wide. Look here, the distance, please. Look, it's wide. It's easy open. I have full privacy in my bedroom. Even if I close the pocket door, watch, give you an idea. So even if I walk from the entry door, nobody could see my bedroom. So that's the advantage of this floor plan. And then it gives you the two bar stools, big one, big area to eat. So I could use this area as a dinette, or I could use it as more people seating, watching the TV, as well people sitting on the hide-a-bed sofa. It's very close to the kitchen. So when you are in the kitchen fixing something to eat, you could serve here, you could eat while you watch TV, or you could sit, have a nice drink, and enjoy the social with the friends, wife, friends, family, and so on. You walk in here, they give you nice LED light. I put this shade down to show you the LED light. It gives you a really nice ambient. I love these residential curtains. Look, you just raise them and they stay up. You don't have to worry about the string on the both side. It provides you with a nice, beautiful hide-a-bed sofa. So this is a complete bed. Let me demonstrate this. At least you have idea. This trailer will sleep 4 people, or 2 grandkids and pop and mom. Put it 3 to 4 is depending on the size. If it's the grandkids, 4. If it's adult, voila. I could lay down, could watch TV in full privacy from the bedroom. So this is one of the major features about this 2500 CK is the door is in the back, not on the front next to your bed. That's a big deal because compare all of the others is the bed closed. Okay, now it's facing a big smart TV. This is a almost 50-inch TV. There's a storage behind it, and it's on a strap. And you could take the strap off, and you could pull it, so you could see it. Let me just take the strap. Hold on. I catch it. Yeah, there it is. And the cameraman could show you there's a storage bench behind this, and you could twist it the way you want it. You have nice copy storage here, fireplace. Now we're gonna walk to the kitchen. Ladies, here's your pantry. I'm gonna open all these compartments because I could not believe the amount of storage you have on this unit. All back is a beautiful, nice window. It gives you nice circulations, huge counter space. You have a big counter space next to the sink. You have both location next to the oven, huge locations. You have the pop-up USB 110. So you have plenty room when you cook. Where I stand up, I could see and enjoy the view. Or also if I'm a stand up here on the sink, I could enjoy the view also. Plenty counter space on the left side of the sink. There's a prepping area on both sides of the oven, the 3 burner. There's a place here for trash can or cooking pan. Another storage here. You could use this for cooking pan, and this is for trash can. And then more copies, more storage, big tinsel doors, all of it right here. More storage, place for cooking pans, and so on. So storage wise, from kitchen wise, you have plenty of room. Now, what me personally like about this unit is I'm sitting here in the kitchen. I'm not in somebody way while they're watching the TV or somebody where they're eating. So that's the advantage for you. Also, if I come over here, grab a drink, okay? I'm grabbing drinks, I'm fixing something. I'm not in his way while he's sitting on the sofa, or not in her way when she's sitting on the two chair. So that's the beauty about this trailer. Now, a lot of them, they make this floor plan, but they use a pocket door for the bathroom. It's a feature. This one has a solid door. So you walk in, nice mirror with lights. They give you a place for shelf. You can put shampoos, whatever's, towels, more here stuff like a medicine cabinet, nice sink, prepping area, porcelain toilet. There's no issue with knees. More storage here. Plenty elbows, skylight, and shower curtain. So this is what you see here, advantage for you on this unit comparing the others. Now, look, I've been through the living area, the kitchen, and all of that, and I'm not interfering with my bed. Now I'm gonna go walk to my bed. I slide the pocket door. Voila. Very roomy, king size bed with storage on both sides. Look, I walk around the bed very comfy. I don't squeeze myself. I don't go sideways. There's a shelf in the back corner for CPAP machines and plugs on both sides. Books, laptop, iPad, iPhone, vitamins, all of it right there. You have full storage underneath the bed for sheets, pillows, blankets. As well, you have place for shoes. You could put all this, your shoes here. And you have second TV, as you see. Prep TV bracket. I could put a TV here on an angle. And you already have your AC in the top, so you don't have to worry. Nice curtains with a square window. Very easy to open. Easy to bring down. More residential look. And that's on the unit. So this is the nice thing about the 2500. Very roomy, easy to use, easy to work, and plenty for you. So come to Best RV, grab this unit because we have it on a price no one has, no hidden fees, free get ready package. Please click on the link underneath, call us, email us. We'll love to make it happen for you. Come in.